Alright, this video could either end in pure, unadulterated, unfiltered joy. Joy's a good word. Or the complete opposite, just a travesty of justice. But it'll be entertaining either way for the viewer, whoever happens to view this whenever, because, you know, I'm excited. Okay, so I have with me here a box sent to me from one, wait for it, there we go, one Jimmy Jazz Fulfillment Center from 80 Enterprise Avenue south of sickkkkkk and J. What was sent to me from the Jimmy Jazz Fulfillment Center? Well, get my trusty key here. We're about to find out. You see, there's the Lil Wayne song. And in this Lil Wayne song, he says, "Stuntin' like my daddy." Stuntin' like my daddy. Let's think about that one more time. Stuntin' like my daddy. What do we know about stuntin'? Well, that's repping on booze, which you'll swag. Coming legit, coming true. Going big or going home kind of deal, right? I don't know, just cliche shit, but so the box is in there. Not only is this a stunt on these fools like my daddy, this is a stunt over 20 years in the making, because you see, oh crap, it's the right brand box too. You're about to see the power of love. You see, when Deion Sanders was the greatest cornerback to have ever played the game, when he was playing, because Patrick Peterson's pretty good, Jalen Ramsey's pretty good, Darrelle Revis was pretty good, but are any of them truly as good as Deion? I remember when I was growing up, there was about 3-4 years you just didn't throw at Deion. You just didn't do it. He was my favorite player. I played defensive back. And in 1996, he put out, I want to say his second or third shoe. I believe it was his second. It was a very cool design, very popular shoe, right? It took me a year to get them from everybody else because people like had normal families and stuff. I had one crazy mom. My dad was on TV, but I never met him. Well, I met him, but like I don't never see him. So I had the one crazy mom, so everything was just not normal. So I finally got these shoes, but it was like a year later. And do you think I cared? No. I wore these things forever. It's the right shoe. So, when I found out that Nike had re-released them in a retro re-release, boom! We did it, Daddy. Look at this. Look at this. You ain't ready for that, are you? 1996. Let's make sure it's the right size. It's an 11. So that's what we need. Look at that. Look at that beautiful baby. Let's make sure the other one is an 11, in fact. Oh. Look at that gold stripe. Gold, baby, because Deion was what? The best. Oh my God, look at these bad boys. I cannot believe 22 years later, I have another pair of these shoes. That is insane. All right, let's try them on. They should fit, because when I tried them on in the store, they only had a 10. And the 10, I asked for an 11. They only had a 10. And I was like, well, I don't think it's going to be big enough, but I'll try. And it wasn't too far off, but it wasn't like close, right? It wasn't like close at all. But it was like, wasn't too far off. So I thought about it some more, shopped around, found that these things cost $140 retail. But your boy ain't no sucker, right? Like, we ain't some rapper bragging about how we caught this chain or something stupid like that, because they're overpaying. I only paid $94 and had free shipping. What? Yeah, if you buy from Jimmy Jazz, which is a big retailer up north, and they've got some stores down here, your first online purchase is free shipping. I ordered these Sunday, and I'm here Friday with them, and so pretty excited. Ooh, let me loosen them up a little bit. Loosen them up. I got shook for a hot second. I was trying them on, and I was like, oh my god, they're too tight, and how can this be? And I was like, looked at the laces. I'm sorry, I'm just excited. Like, you gotta understand, okay, 96, I was 14, okay? Like, I was into, like, video games and Star Wars, and I was just trying to talk to girls, going to New York City and not going to school, playing sports, watching football, playing football with my friends. Like, these were my shit back in the day. And they're here. And I didn't even know they put them back out. It's like a glove. Like a glove. Look at that. Oh my god, that's hot fire. My feet are literally on fire right now. Hot, 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 hot fire. Look at that calf. That's a good calf right there. Let's go back to the shoe though. Oh my god, it looks so good. Hold on. Oh, and it fits perfectly. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, I'm gonna put the other one on. Let's do it. Let's put them on and lace them up. I know this video is like 7 minutes. I don't care. Bitch. I don't care at all. Because I think this to me is just so cool. Like I said, I had these shoes in 1996, 7, and I think I got them twice. Yeah, I got them twice. I had them for sophomore year and junior year. Because I just liked them so much. And then I think I was like into a different design or style, or I was like dressing differently. Oh, yes. Oh, that's right. And I used to put the laces. I just remembered how I used to lace them. Okay, that's really close. So this is how I used to, okay. So I used to lace them. That's right. And then the strap, these were like cross trainers. You could do anything in these. They had good support and everything because lace them up. I'm so excited. And then I would tie them up, right? I'm so vascular that even my fucking head has a vein. Look at that. You see that? Like, really, what is that about? Alright, so lace them up. Oh, they got the little football in the front. I hope Deion's getting money off these because he was like inspirational to me as a kid. Like, I didn't care that I was white. I wanted to be a defensive back. And there weren't really any white defensive backs. But I was like, I don't give a crap. I'm a huge Deion fan. Deion's the man. Deion's a defensive back. So it made me work on quickness and agility and stuff that this has always paid off for me. Like, always. Oh, my God. It's so beautiful. So, again, you know, and I still see Deion today on news and on, like, sports news and stuff, so I think it's cool. So I'm going to tweet at Deion. I'm going to send him out a tweet. Let him know I got the hot fire in. Oh, my God. This shoes are so nice. That's right. And I would tuck up my laces under my strap. My Velcro strap, which I thought was so dope the way it was designed. Oh my god. I have a shirt with Bruce Lee playing a turntable, which I coincidentally wore before Robert Downey Jr. did in Avengers 2. Bought this shirt at Urban Outfitters before he did. He used to have gold on Bruce's chain, but no moss. So, anyway. They're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna go run around the neighborhood like a psycho.